It's the final countdown. All right, welcome to the last week of school for academic stuff. But of course, I told you have 2 weeks to do the rest of this and some time to catch up. This page 337 and then 338. I'm looking at this, and this is all stuff I've already taught you. So I figured, Mr. Scott, how could you be a nice guy? Well, we could review it together and maybe work on it a little bit together. If we do that, then I can make sure that you're on the right track. But all this stuff has already been taught to you, okay? So, anyway, you'll look at Go Formative, and you'll be able to see the problems I want you to make sure that you absolutely do. That stuff will be graded, but it shouldn't be too hard to do. So, let's take a look. If you look at the first one, I see mass of a dolphin. Mass of a dolphin. Our choices are 500 grams or 500 kilograms. How big is a dolphin? Well, I don't think it's only 500 grams. That would be super tiny, so I'm going to go with 500 kilograms. Boom. How about number 2? Length of a dolphin. 3 centimeters or 3 meters. Well, we're talking about a dolphin. We're not talking about a little guppy, right? So 3 meters, I think that's more like it. Since we didn't get to go to SeaWorld, we didn't get to actually measure one. All right, anyway. Back to work. Length of a goldfish, 65 millimeters or 6 meters. I don't want to come anywhere near a 6-meter goldfish because it might be able to eat me, so I'm going with 65 millimeters. And then the capacity of a fishbowl, 2 milliliters or 2 liters. 2 milliliters, remember, is just little drops. Bloop, bloop. Not going to keep a fish alive, but 2 liters will definitely keep a fish alive. Fantastic. All right, this next section, if you take a look, it says complete the facts. And you're going to have to be very careful and making sure you're looking at your signs and knowing what they mean. The M, of course, is meters. And the CM is centimeters. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Remember Dora the Explorer? She would say, how many is it? And then everybody would say, 100. That's right. Sorry. There you go. I've had a lot of coffee today, so I'm good. All right. 1 meter equals how many millimeters? Well, if we remember, millimeters are super tiny. Millimeters, it takes 10 of them to make a centimeter, and it actually takes 1,000 of them. Boom, 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 boom. Don't forget your comma. 1,000 of them to make a meter. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to make you do the rest of those. I'm going to skip down a little bit here. I have to write greater than, less than, or equal to. If I take a look at 11, I see 700 grams. And then is it greater than, less than, or equal to 2 kilograms? 2 kilograms actually is quite a bit larger because that's going to be 2,000 grams. So I'm going to gobble up the bigger one. Gobble it up. 12. 3 liters equals how, or is greater than, less than, or equal to 2,500 milliliters. And that means since there's 3,000 milliliters in this, it's going to be larger than 2,500. If you need to, and I would definitely suggest it, if you convert this, you could even change this and make it 3,000 milliliters over the top. So it's all written the same way, and you can tell what it says. Okay? I'm going to make you do your word problems on your own. I'll tell you what, I'll do 19 with you. Catherine helped make breakfast. She needed 2 liters of orange juice for the family. She had 1,500 milliliters. How much more juice did she need? Ooh, when I see how much more, that's telling me I'm definitely going to need to subtract. So, 2 liters. And I have liters and milliliters. Oh no, what am I going to do? I'm going to have to convert them so they're all milliliters. Okay? So 2 liters equals 2,000 milliliters. Notice how I put my sign there so I keep Mr. Scott happy. And I'm going to subtract 1,500 milliliters. So if I have 2,000 minus 1,500, I'm going to end up with 500 milliliters. There you go. Merry Christmas. Okay, I think the rest you can handle on your own. The back doesn't look too bad. Make sure you read your directions carefully and use common sense. I know that, for example, this is a picture of a door and it says 1 in a blank. I know that there's dollhouse doors that are super tiny, but I'm not talking about imaginary things and toys. I'm talking about the real life-size doors. And go ahead and do this, and this will be all you need to do for this lesson. All right, thanks guys. See you later.